Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback. I guess you would call it Bullitt's brother. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it bid to $77,000 but did not sell. And I'll read you off has the Marty report, which I'll have a picture of, and also from Ford customer service talking about the car. And basically, from the Ford one, it shows it's a 1968 model year, manufactured at San Jose Assembly Plant, Ford Mustang two-door fastback, S code 390, CID V8 4V Special GT gasoline engine, and then the serial number for it. And it shows was produced on 4/5 of 68 with the following options: Highland green exterior paint color, black all vinyl bucket seats, GT equipment group, manual 4-speed transmission, locking 325 rear axle, F70 by 14 wide oval nylon white sidewall tires, sport deck rear seat, console, power steering, power disc brakes, AM radio, tinted glass, and deluxe seat belts. And then the Marty report shows again the door data plate information. Code 8, 1968, code R, built at San Jose, code 02, Mustang Fastback, code S, 390, 4V engine, and 63A Mustang Fastback, code R, Highland green paint, Ford number 3067-A, 2A black standard bucket seats, and code 26C, scheduled for build March 26, 1968, and code 74, Seattle ordering district, code G 3.25, limited slip rear axle, and code 5, 4-speed manual transmission. And then the selling dealer was Skyline Sales Inc., 2510 Commercial S, Salem, Oregon, 97302. And then it says your vehicle was ordered with the following features: GT equipment group, 4-speed manual transmission, locking differential, F70 by 14 wide oval tires, white sidewall nylon tires, sport deck rear seat, console, power disc brakes, power steering, AM radio, tinted glass, deluxe seat belts. Your car was actually produced on April 4th, 1968, 9 days behind schedule. Kevin Marty. And then the stats: your car was one of 5,488 with this paint code, and 2,128 with these paint trim codes, and 4,113 with these engine transmission codes, and 1,021 ordered with this DSO, and 12,087 with GT Equipment Group for the 1968 Mustang Fastback. So I guess that says Ford only built 5,488 in Highland green, and of those, 2,128 were the Highland green with the black bucket seat interior, similar to the Bullitt car. They made 4,113 with the 390 with the 4-speed, like this one is. So this one seems to be almost identical to the Bullitt car, except the Bullitt car didn't have a limited slip. It had one wheel peel. If you remember the movie, it was spinning one tire like a banshee and smoking like crazy. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback with a 390 and a 4-speed with Highland green with black interior. Kind of a twin to the Bullitt car used in the movie in 1968 with Steve McQueen. And this one was sold new in Salem, Oregon. And it was at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it bid to $77,000, but did not sell. But if you made it to the end of the video, Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.